Hello friends, welcome to my channel Keep Exploring. In today's video, we are going to discuss about question number 4 from exercise 1.1 of the chapter Real Numbers class 10. So let's start. The question says, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So here we have to use the Euclid's division lemma. So let's first understand the Euclid's division lemma. So Euclid's division lemma states that for any positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equals to bq plus r. So a can be written in the form of bq plus r, where r is less than b or greater than equals to 0. So this is the division lemma we know. Now using this lemma, we will get our required number in these forms, that is 3m or 3m plus 1. So here the trick in this question is, by seeing the form, we have to know what is the divisor that we have to take, so that we can write our number in this form. Okay, so here as we can see, we are having 3m or 3m plus 1. So here it is clearly seen that we are having the divisor as 3. So here what we'll do, let us take a positive integer a. Let a be a positive integer. So if I take a as a positive integer and let us divide it by 3. So here we'll take b equals to 3. So a is a positive integer and b is equals to 3 here. So using the Euclid's division lemma, we can say that a can be written as 3q plus r. Same thing, in place of b, we have taken it as 3. So a is a positive integer and b is 3 here. So when we divide a by b, a can be written as 3q plus r, where r is less than 3 and greater than equals to 0. So r has 3 values now. So r can be 0, r can be 1 or r can be 2. We have 3 cases. So the remainder is 0, 1 or 2. So whenever a is being divided by 3, so a is being divided by 3, we get a quotient and we get a remainder. So you can write here a is equals to 3q plus r. So here r value is 0, 1 or 2. So to know more about the division lemma and this form of integers, you can get the link in the description box. Now here what we have now, a equals to 3q plus r. So any positive integer in the form of 3q plus r, where r equals to 0, 1 or 2. So when r equals to 0, a can be written as 3q plus 0. When r equals to 1, a can be written as 3q plus 1. And when r equals to 2, a can be written as 3q plus 2. So these are the 3 forms of the integer a. So a can be written as 3q, it can be written as 3q plus 1, or it can be written in the form of 3q plus 2. But here in our question, it is given we have to show that the square of that integer is of the form 3m or in the form of 3m plus 1, where m is some integer. That means we have to find the square of it. So a we have taken as the integer, so the square of the integer is a square. So we have to show that a square is in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Now we have to understand what is this m. So when we say that we write an integer in the form of 3m, that means we have to write the integer in the form of 3 into something, as it is written some integer m. So for some integer m, we can write our square of the integer as 3 into something. Similarly, 3 into something plus 1. Hence we have to get it like 3 into something or 3 into something plus 1. In this form we have to represent. So let's see here. So to start with, a equals to 3q. So when a equals to 3q, as you can see here, 3q plus 0 is same as 3q. So when a equals to 3q, a square will be 3q whole square, and 3q whole square is nothing but 9q square. So 3 squared is 9, q squared is q squared. So 9q squared can be written as 3 multiplied by 3q squared. So if I take out 3 as common, we get 3 multiplied by 3q square. So this is in the form of 3 multiplied by something. So that something, let us represent like we can take an integer like m1, something like this. Now the second step, a equals to 3q plus 1. When a equals to 3q plus 1, a square will be 3q plus 1 whole square. Now 3q plus 1 whole square means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Now a plus b whole square, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if we will expand, so 3q whole square becomes 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So here if we try to take out common from 9q square plus 6q, we can take out 3 as common. So we'll get 3q square plus 2q inside plus 1. You can see here from 9q square I have taken out 3 as common, and from 6q also we have taken 3 as common. So we get again something like this, 3 multiplied by something. That something let us take as m2 plus 1. Next, a squared for a equals to 3q plus 2. The same thing, 3q plus 2 whole squared. Now a plus b whole squared. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So here what we have, 9q squared plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12q plus 4. So here it is a little bit tricky. What we have to do, 9q square is divisible by 3, 12q is also divisible by 3. Now 4 we can write it in the form of 3 plus 1, so that we can take out 3 as common here. So 4 has been written as 3 plus 1. You have to see it. So 4 has been written as 3 plus 1. Now if you take out the common 3, we can take out for 9q square, we can get it 3q square. For 12q, 3 multiplied by 4q plus 3 can be taken as common, we will get 1 here. So for the first 3 terms, I have taken 3 as common plus 1. Now the same thing again. Now 3 multiplied by something plus 1. So that something, let us represent it by m3 plus 1. So we have, first thing you see, we have 3 into m1, 3 into m2 plus 1, third one 3 into m3 plus 1. Here m1, m2, m3 represents whatever is inside the bracket. That 3 into something like that. So here what is this m1, m2 and m3? So m1, m2 and m3 are some integers, right? So we are taking it as some integers because see here, so q is an integer, so 3q square is also some integer. Like that, if q is one integer, 3q square plus 2q is also an integer. Similarly, 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is some integer. We'll get one answer as some integer. Now here we see that we are getting them in the form of 3m1, 3m2 plus 1 and 3m3 plus 1. So here what you have to know. Now in this case, the question it is asking is, it should be in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. But you are getting 3m1, m2, m3. So here m1, m2, m3 are some integer, and in our question also given m is some integer. So here we can say that the square of any positive integer, so the square of any positive integer can be written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So here m is taken as some integer and we are got some integer. So in place of 3m1 we can write 3m, and in place of this 3m2 and 3m3, same thing we can write 3m plus 1. So in the cases here m is some integer and we have also got some integer like this. So here we have proved that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. where m is some integer. So here you have to remember that there is no specific value for m. Here m is as a variable, v for m we are taking it as some integer. It can be anything. So for some integer we are representing it by m. So we have got some integer as m1, m2, m3. For that we have put it as m. So our proof says square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Hope you understood this question. To get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Keep exploring. Thank you.